Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about text selector in private. Okay, what exactly a text selector means? We have the some selectors like we can able to say in Selenium we have ID and the name like XPath, and also we have for CSS selector like this we have 8 different locators, and after that we have different categories, right? The similar format we have some set of selectors in Playwright also. Okay, in that way the main one it is the text selector. Okay, text selector, and here one drawback is basically it is having, in case if we have two or more value, one or more value, not for two, one or more values, selecting for value is very complicated. Okay, for this they are used for first and last. Okay, these are the two things they provided in that particular case. Okay, but this selector will help you to select any value in a page, any web element in a page. Okay, and we have so many selectors like CSS selector, and also selecting for visible text by using the visible text element, which is the element is visible, those element we can able to select. And even we have for selecting like element matching, which is the matching is present there, right? Any one of condition. Okay, and we have like another like contains selecting element that contains other element, any other element is presented, it will we can able to select those things. And also any selecting element in a DOM, shadow DOM, shadow DOM, if it is any element is present as shadow DOM, it will walk you for that, and you can able to select that also, because our Playwright will help you to shadow DOM also handling. Okay, and also we can able to do for XPath, and also we have a React selector, and also we can have nth value picking. Okay, and chaining selector. Those are the so many selectors are presented. We'll look into one by one. Okay, we can able to look one by one and we can able to identify those things. Okay, and now here we are going to discussing about text selector. Okay, how many ways we can able to select our text selector using our private. Okay, and here I'm going to use it here on my previous code, which I am going to use for to launching the browser. Okay, launching browser and URL. Okay, after that we can able to see one by one. Okay, and after launching our URL we have to see there is any web element is presented with the text. We can able to say in this page we are already seen mouse over into switch place, right? The similar format how we can able to mouse over in this particular place and click that particular element. If I click this one, it will comes to this particular button. Okay, this pop-up also it will display if you are doing the first time, right? If you do the first time, it will display for the pop-up, whether it will display pop-up or the page, web table page. We can see that. Okay, just I'm going to here, we can able to use it for the text for web table. Okay, and we need to save that page locator, and that is one text equal to this web table. Okay, and I'm saving into web table. Okay, in this web table what I can do, first we need to do for h over into that particular element. Once I over into that particular element, I want to click that element. Okay, then I'm going to use for some time to sync my application. Only 5 seconds. Okay, just I'm running this particular script, whether it will mouse over into that particular value or not. Like we can able to click that particular element or not. Text selector. You can see one item is connected, and you can able to see mouse over and it click, and you can able to see there is a one another pop-up is coming to the picture. Okay, this is a one format of mouse overing, and as well as we are clicking for one element in a page. Okay, in case if you have multiple values in a page, you have to choose for first or last or any one of them. Okay, how we can able to choose it, we'll see into here now. I'll try to find any one value is the multiple. Okay, you can see here we can pick any one value with the multiple. This is also select, right? This also select skills is there, but we cannot able to use it. But I'm going to use for what I can do, the select tag, I'll use it. You can see, we'll see whether it will work or not. Not tried actually. um, any one value can able to pick it. No, submit button also single. Selector here is basically one skills, all are unique is there. We'll try for a different one, a different URL. Recruiters, maybe it will have for multiple. Sign on. I'll check this one whether it will present or not. Single value is presented. All our single time is there. 1 minute. We'll see any alternative. No, we don't have any alternative. Which URL? We can see Amazon. It will help, I guess. Amazon, it will help you. 1 second. Amazon website having a login page, no? Yeah, I forgot. See here, this is a hidden field. If I inspect any one of them and I'm searching for my login application, okay, I'm going to make it here. You can see there are 8 presented. Okay, there are 8 sign in. If I'm going to find it now, okay, page dot locator, and I'm going to use for my text editor, and I'm going to use for sign in dot click. Okay, this I'm going to do for the operation, and I'm going to providing for my amazon.com. Here you can see I'll page dot go to, and I can specify my amazon.com, and now I will run, and we'll see in that we'll get it some error. There are 8 locators it will show. See, it is showing for there are text sign in result to 3 elements. Now it is finding for 3 elements because there are some of remaining or different elements are presented. Okay, different positions. Okay, not able to click for that particular element. Okay, how we can able to do it, this condition. Okay, we can able to use it for first or last or anything. I'm going to use for first, okay, sorry, last, and I'm going to use for click. Okay, this is operation I'm going to perform. Now you can see again we are running. It will click for any one of them which is matched with the last position sign in. See, now it is clicked for the last position sign in button. Okay, this is another way format of which in case if multiple values are presented, we can able to pick for first or last any one, and we can able to click our uh, thing. Okay, this is one kind. Okay, now second we can able to take the label value, any one label value we can able to take, and we can able to print it. How we can able to print and how we can able to take it means, you can see if I inspect here, see this is the anchor tag, and if you anchor tag, if you click again, there is a conf, this is a logo. Okay, we'll go for again our old application to picking for the label value. This is automation label value, and I'm going to use it for this automation h1 tag to print our text. Okay, in the page locator we can able to pick. Okay, and whether if it is matched, then we can able to, and this one we can able to do two ways. Okay, first one is basically using for a direct page dot locator, and I'm passing for my locator, and I'm going to get the text of that. Okay, in the text, if I'm going to use for my label here, label underscore h1, this is my tag, and I'm going to print it, this particular element, print label h1. Okay, now if I'm able to print or not, we can see. Just I'm going to printing for that. Now we can, it will fail, it will take some time, and it will fail that script. See, still it is waiting for that web element, whether it is presented or not, in somewhere where it is present. Now it is waited for 30,000 milliseconds, but still it is not able to find this particular automation site. Yeah, but still our element is presented in our web application. Then what we can do means, we can able to do it for using for single quotation. Inside the double quotation, again one more single quotation. It will help you to print it. Sometimes it will not able to recognize which is presented in double quotation. Okay, because this is completely a label like a h1 tag. H1 tag is presented. Due to that, it is not able to find that particular element. You can see auto demo test is visible here. Okay, and another way also we can able to provide, that is I can able to use it here. I'm going to remove now single quotation text and equal time providing. Now you can see same information again. I'm going to run. We can able to find it for our label value. See, still it is able to find that particular element. Okay, we can able to find only label by using text selector means no. Even we can able to find it for our button. Okay, button value also we can able to find it. Okay, and in case the button is having different way, and how we can able to use it. Different way is nothing but we can see all the things are presented in a form directory. You can mouse over and inspect here, and you can see this all the things under form. Here the form, okay, the form is presented. In the form you can able to see form is presented. Under form any button is presented. There are two buttons are presented. Now I'm not going to use it for multi-concept, but I am going to get the text for one particular value by using our path. How means, now just I'm going to comment again this one. I have two matched buttons. Okay, form button. Inside the form button I have like in the form I have two buttons. Okay, but still I want to click for my submit button, or I can able to get that particular text value for the particular button. Any one of them I can able to do it. Okay, first I'm going to do for btn underscore value and page dot locator. And we discussed about my previous video. There are two things it will accept. One is locator, what type of locator, and that locator what we are going to export hash text. What our hash text is, can we do it? It is a submit. Okay, we can able to get for submit. The submit I'm going to providing here. Okay, what I can do first, text. Okay, this I'm going to printing btn value, and then what I can do up to I'll copy here. I can able to click that particular button. If it is matching this particular in the form button any one value with the two values placed with any one it is presented, then we can able to click. We are saying that. Okay, in case if the two buttons are matching with the same submit button, we can able to choose for first and last. You can see it is able to click, and we can able to see the form clicked. Okay, this is also another format of that. Okay, basically this will help you to move. Okay, in case if you are not able to click something means, you can able to use a maybe you will get it for multiple values. That's why you will see for failuring, and you can that moment you can use for first and last. It will help you to click that element. Okay, this is all about for text editor, and we'll see for remaining one into next video session. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.